Alright guys, in this video I am still at Arrmageddon 2024. There's links below in the description. A couple guys got out and test drove their cars at the bash session before we got into things. So there were a couple of bashes out there and there were a few near misses.
Ooh, watch it, watch it. Ooh.
And then there's also M2C was out there with their new Mega Katon 2 kit for the Arrma Katon 8S. And I got some footage of that, so wait till the end to see that vehicle running. Alright y'all, we're out here bashing. He went ahead and he bashed his Kraton. I missed it. But he's gonna be out here doing some more in a bit, aren't you?
Well, maybe, I don't know.
So this is what the bash track will do if you go crazy. And they're out here going right now. Got another guy coming through here real quick. I'm gonna scoot over here, let him on through. They're getting it in too.
Oh, you made it in.
Nice, nice, nice. Ooh, saved it. We got an Outcast, a Notorious, and a Kraton. There you go. I thought that bird was part of your wing.
My phone just got hot.
Yeah, that happened to mine yesterday.
Man.
Ooh, nice double jump. Ooh, watch it, watch it. Ooh.
I thought he was going to land it on your back.
Yeah.
That's why I stopped. I'm like, race for impact.
Well, I gotta go get it. I want to drive it back, but I don't think it's a good idea.
Nice. I was wondering if you were gonna be able to do a double. I didn't want to pressure him though. Oh, the Outcast? Yeah, it's their stunt truck. Last jump. Nice, he landed it. Nice, you still landing, that's good. And your wing staying on. Ooh! There you go. All right, I think they're about done. Boom! Wow. That's what they're here for.
I can't believe I'm hearing you say all that.
Oh.
I watch you every day on YouTube.
So he's seeing this firsthand, me making all the noises. Bow, boom. Oh, ooh. Oh. All right, I'm gonna stop filming. We'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, y'all, we're here at Armageddon, and we got this beast out here, and he's gonna explain a little bit about what's going on, and he's gonna run it real quick. So,
all right, y'all. What M2C did is they extended their Kraton chassis about a ½ inch longer, so we could put the big 125, I think that's a 125 millimeter can, in here with the Max 4 combo. They made a new ESC plate, new chassis, of course, a new front stiffener plate. I think that's made out of steel, hardened steel, so we don't want the chassis to flex at all. So this motor mount will survive with this big motor. Got an in-bolt, an in-bell support that bolts right directly to the chassis and kind of cradles the motor. You do have to shave the side skirt a little bit to get this to fit, and I am running a 39 spur with a 40 pinion, so I am overgeared on 12S.
ooh, okay.
We got longer teardrops, so you don't have to like worry about extending your tower to towers. They just got the longer teardrops you screw in there. It makes up the difference.
Okay.
So it's a complete kit.
Oh, sweet.
Minus electronics.
Okay. All right, and he's gonna run and bash this real quick. Nice. Woo! One gone.
Beautiful.
Quick carnage report. There is no report.
Nothing.
Blown tires.
He can blame the report card home to the parents.
We're still good.
Beautiful.
Everything's good.
Mega Katon is definitely a success. This is the second pack, and we got a roof landing out of it.
Perfect. One,
There you go.
Screw, but that's
A
coming
little
out of
screw
that.
backing out.
That ain't nothing.
Plastic.
All right, guys, I got a lot more footage coming up, so stay tuned for more Armageddon 2024 footage.